As we know, it is not possible to use YouTube with the screen off, and many times when listening to a playlist, it is stopped by YouTube options. This trick is quite useful for those who spend hours and hours listening to music through YouTube, but suffer when you have to do it on the cell phone, since you cannot do other activities on the device while you have the YouTube app open. To do this, copy the link of the song you want to listen to and paste it into any of the browsers you have installed on your cell phone, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, among others. At the top of your browser, you will find the 3-point icon. This symbolizes the menu of your application. Here, select the option Site of Desk. Exit the YouTube browser tab without closing it. Open or slide the notifications panel and play your favorite song.
Y sale mucho más rápido. Están cordialmente invitados a mi ganadería.
After following these steps, you can listen to your YouTube videos with the screen off, like when playing a file from your browser. The best recommendation is to do it with Chrome, since it presents better results visually.